In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create backlogs in a Jira Scrum board. We will go through the full process of opening your Scrum project, switching to the backlog view, creating issues, organizing them by priority, and then preparing them for an upcoming sprint. This is a very practical workflow, and once you understand it, managing work in Jira becomes much easier. To get started, open Jira and go to your projects area. From there, open your Scrum project. Once you are inside the project, look at the top menu and click Backlog. This takes you to the Backlog view, which is where your team can collect, organize, and prioritize work before it gets pulled into a sprint. If you want to add work directly into the backlog, click the Create button at the top of the screen. Jira will open the issue creation form. Here, you will first choose the work type, also called the issue type. Depending on how your project is set up, this could be something like a story, a task, or a bug. Choose the type that best matches the work you are adding. Next, enter the summary. This should be a short, clear title that quickly explains what the issue is about. After that, add a description to give more context. This is helpful for anyone on the team who needs to understand the work in more detail. Then set the priority from the drop-down menu so the team knows how urgent or important the issue is. You can also select labels to make the issue easier to filter and find later. If needed, set the start and end dates, and if you have any supporting files, add them as attachments. Once everything looks good, click Create at the bottom. Your new issue will be created and listed in the backlog. As your backlog grows, prioritization becomes important. You can reorder issues simply by dragging them up or down in the list. This helps your team clearly see what should be worked on first. You can also use the collapsible epic or version panels on the backlog screen to assign work to larger initiatives, which is useful for organizing related issues together. When your team is ready to plan upcoming work, click the Create Sprint button at the top of the backlog. Jira will add a new empty sprint section. From there, drag and drop your prioritized backlog items into that sprint. Before starting, add a sprint goal so the team has a clear focus for the work cycle. Then, when everything is ready, click Start Sprint to begin. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.